Hello friends, back for another video, and this one we are going to be doing plates for light switches and plugs. And we're going to do them, of course, my goodness, in Nautical. Would we have it any other way? So what I did was I already put a layer on here because it was just filling, just to cover it. And then we just have to go through and put what we want on here. So we're just going to go through and put these on, and I have to put them on upside down because the other side is the front. So I guess I didn't need my gloves on for this part, but and I'm hoping that these are going to stay down. I only did 2 ounces of resin, hoping that that's going to be enough. So let's see here. Oh, gosh sakes, I gotta take my gloves off until I get the resin going. Okay. So, I want to welcome you to Divine Designs 24. I guess I should say that at the beginning, and I didn't. I was just so excited about doing this. Oh, for gosh sakes. There we go. I had these all laid out at one point to see how they would look, see how I wanted them. But the sticky side is actually up because I'm putting them backwards. First. So I'm putting these in backwards, so this side here is the front side, and I had to put those down. And I probably should have done these when this was a little damp, but I went to bed. I didn't stay up and wait. So we're going to figure out how this works this way. There we go. But I think these are going to be cute. I love doing the light switches. One of my granddaughters just moved into her own apartment, I don't know, probably a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and I'm gonna make some for her apartment. Maybe she'll want these, I don't know, we'll see. If not, I'll put them on my Etsy store. Oh, for gosh sakes, come on, get off there. There we go. Okay, let's see here. I have these kind of spread out on my table here because of the lighting situation. I'm trying to keep the reflection off. I'm trying anyway. Get off of there. almost ready. There we go. And a little fishy. Don't want the fishy on that side though. There we go. All right. Now let's hope. Let me get my gloves back on. This is gonna work okay. I had to put 2 pairs of gloves on because I wear cotton gloves underneath the nitrile gloves. Okay, so let's see here. We are going to have this. Because we're going to have this one underneath. There we go. That's what I was trying to do right there. So I guess I put these all on here for nothing. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, well, I'm putting these on each one. This is going to take me a minute or two. So I will put you on fast forward and you can enjoy the music while I'm getting these all on here, but you can still watch me place them. See you in a minute. Okay, we're back. All I'm going to do now is just to pour this on here and level it out and hope that they don't float. They shouldn't. I've got them hooked pretty good, so they shouldn't float. I have 2 ounces here, so I'm hoping that's going to be enough to do all these, but we'll see. We'll get this moved around here. These are going to be so pretty. I might have to put these in my own house to go with my nautical themes. Because I definitely have nautical in my house. Love the nautical. Okay. This will level out here on its own. And I just stuck my arm in that one again. Okay, let's see here. Get these edges good here. Okay, that one looks pretty good. All right. Get this off my table so I don't stick my arm in it. That's why you should really have long sleeves on when you're doing this. Look at there. All right, they're staying down, so I may have to make up a couple more ounces here. I wasn't sure how much to make up, but I didn't want to make up too much. I hope everybody's enjoying their summer. I'm in Florida, so it's very, very hot here. Very hot. I am on the East Coast, so we do get quite a bit of breeze, but not enough this time of year. I don't venture outside too much unless there's going to be water involved. I definitely have to get to the beach so I get some more shells. I'm starting to run a little low on some shells. So I'm definitely going to have to do that. Okay, let's see how much we can get in this one. Well, they're staying down good. I was afraid they were going to try to float, but they're not. They're staying down good. They have these little pegs on here for the holes for the screws, but I have a feeling I'm gonna have to drill those out. I think I kind of got some resin on some of them. Okay, that one looks good. Make sure I don't have any fish eyes on anything. Let me pour this in here and see how much more I have to get. I don't don't think I'm gonna have to get much more, maybe an ounce. I don't think I'm gonna be able to squeeze enough out of here. Let's see how much that'll spread around. It's quite thick because I'm using the Let's Resin Quick Cure, so this will set up a lot faster. So this is a lot thicker than the resin I usually use. But it means this was thin. I like using the Quick Cure on these that are thin. But I'm gonna definitely have to make up another couple ounces. So I'm gonna put you on pause, and I'll be right back with a couple more ounces. All right, I'm back. I did made 1 more ounce in case I had to top any of the other ones off. So we'll get this in here and start moving it around. I didn't want to make too much, just enough to fill these up. And top off anything that we have to top off. Okay, get these edges good. This one looks good. Now I gotta look at it from an angle and see where I'm missing some. All right, let's see if I have to top these out. This one needs more. These bigger ones take a little bit more, but I don't want fish eyes in them. Okay, these will sit and level out too. Let me get this moved up a little bit. Okay. Look at these angles. All right, this looks good. I'm going to keep an eye on these and make sure that everything is all okay, and make sure there's no fish eyes. I'm gonna go around the edges, make sure everything is all right. We don't have air bubbles. I see air bubbles. Don't want those on the edges. Okay, looks good. We're gonna let this sit. And this is a quick cure, so it's not gonna take me real long. It's not gonna take real long for it to set up, about 4 or 5 hours. And then we'll be back for demold. See you in just a second. We are back for demold. These are still a little soft, but that's okay. They will harden up. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. I love it. These I got with as an extra clear, so I just put some color in it. I'll put those in a bin that I have, and I'll make those into pendants later. Let's see if I can get a piece of paper towel behind these so you can see them. If you can see them better this way, look at that. Let me see if the ring light helps. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? These turned out perfect. I love them. I might have to put these in my own house. I don't know about this one. I don't think I have a 3-way switch. I don't think I have one in this house. I have 2, but I don't think I have 3. But isn't that cute? These are all really, really cute. I think they turned out beautiful. I'll take some pictures of all these. That way you'll be able to see them up close in that. And I just can't believe how beautiful they are. They're just gorgeous. They turned out great. So I'll take pictures of all these. I want to thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I think these turned out wonderful, and don't forget to subscribe. That helps my channel out tremendously. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these. I think these are so cute. Now I have all these different ideas of different ways I want to do them. And I will see you guys next time.